Hi everyone. We're going to look today at your new reading packet. This one called Coworkers. Coworkers. You need to go find it. Go get it. Okay. Let's take a look. What do you see? What do you see? I see two men. Two men. Are they friends? They look like friends. What do they have on their head? It's called a hard hat. Hard hat. So they don't get hurt. What do you see here? Map. United States. Africa. What is the name of this story? The title. The title is Coworkers. Repeat, Coworkers. What about here? What do you see here? I see men with hard hats. What are they doing? Eating. Eating. Maybe eating lunch. Maybe. Let's read. Coworkers. First I read and you listen. They work together. They have the same job. They are co-workers. Kofi is from Africa. He speaks a little English. Jim is from Canada. He speaks English well. They are good workers. They like to work together. They enjoy eating lunch together. They are friends. This time I read, you repeat, okay? Coworkers. They work together. They have the same job. They are co-workers. Kofi is from Africa. He speaks a little English. Jim is from Canada. He speaks English well. They are good workers. They like to work together. They enjoy eating lunch together. They are friends. Yes or no? They have the same job. Yes or no? Let's see. Number 1, they work together. Number 2, they have the same job. They have the same job. Yes, they have the same job. So you would write yes. What is this? What number tells you they have the same job? 1, 2, or 3? They work together. They have the same job. Number 2, they have the same job. They have the same job. Yes. Number 2. Number 2. Yes or no? Jim is from Africa. Yes or no? Let's see. Kofi is from Africa. He speaks a little English. Jim is from Canada. Jim is from Africa? No. Jim is from Canada. So, no. Number 6. Number 6. Line number 6 tells you Jim is not from Africa. Yes or no? Kofi speaks a lot of English. Yes or no? Let's see. Kofi is from Africa. He speaks a little English. He speaks a little English. Kofi speaks a lot of English? No. No. Number 5 says he speaks a little English. No. Number 5. Okay. Yes or no? They are good workers. Yes or no? Let's see. He speaks English well. They are good workers. They like to work together. They are good workers. Yes, yes, they are good workers. Number 8. Number 8. They are good workers. Yes, number 8. Okay. Yes or no? They eat lunch together. They eat lunch together. Yes or no? Let's see. Number 10. They enjoy eating lunch together. They are friends. They enjoy eating lunch together. They eat lunch together. Yes, yes. Number 10 tells us yes, yes. They eat lunch together. Number 10. Okay, I will see you all tonight. Make sure you have this story for tonight's reading.